Hello, sweet love, and welcome. I invite you to find a comfortable position if you haven't done so yet, and to softly start tapping on the side of your hand. Taking 3 deep breaths in and out here. In through the nose, and exhaling out through the mouth. 2 more at your own pace. Feel free to change any of the words I say if there is something that resonates more with you. Otherwise, repeating me out loud or silently. If it feels good for you, you can softly close your eyes, otherwise keeping a soft gazing point in front of you. Continuing to tap on the side of your hand. Even though I feel anxious right now, I am open to the possibility of relief and relaxation. Even though I feel anxious right now, I am open to the possibility of relief and relaxation. Even though I feel anxious right now, I am open to the possibility of relief and relaxation. Right here and right now, I can observe the anxiety. Allow it to be seen and heard, and to be released once I am ready. Now gently tapping on the top of your head. All this anxiety. Eyebrow point. All this anxiety. Side of the eyes. I feel anxious. Under your eyes, I feel nervous. Under your nose, and perhaps you notice it somewhere in your body. Feel free to fill in the blank in the following sentence. I feel it in my under the mouth. I feel it in my just below the collarbones. And I can observe it for what it is. Under the armpit. That's just how I feel right now. Back to the top of your head. And I allow it to be seen and heard. Eyebrow point. And sometimes it feels like it's too much for me. Side of the eyes. All this anxiety. Under the eyes. And I feel so nervous. Under the nose. Again, filling in the blank. I feel it in my under the mouth. And I'm ready to let it go now. Just below your collarbones. I am open to the possibility of relief and relaxation. Under your armpit, I observe it like a cloud flowing by and watch it go with the wind. Back to the top of your head. And even though this might feel uncomfortable, eyebrow point, I choose to release it. Side of the eyes, I choose to release it from my mind. Under the eyes, from my body, and from my soul. under the nose. And I'm grateful for that part of me. Under the mouth, that is looking after me. Just below your collarbones. And with that part of me, I call in ease. Under your armpit, I call in relaxation. I call in light. Now softly tapping on the top of your hand between your ring and pinky finger. I am open to relief. I am open to relaxation. I create the safety for myself to be. I can hold it all. And I am safe now. I allow my mind, body, and soul to come back to me, to come back to safety. Now gently stop tapping, allowing your hands to rest on your heart. And while you take another few deep breaths in and out here, perhaps you would like to visualize a color that makes you feel safe. And visualize how this color is shining brightly on the crown of your head, allowing this healing light to enter every cell of your body. From the crown of your head, this light shines all the way through you and down to the ground, even beneath you, alongside you, as if you're sitting in this bubble of healing, safe light, which no one can enter but you, your safe space. Take another 3 deep breaths in and out here. And please know that you can always come back here and visualize that color with you whenever you need. And when you are ready, you can softly flutter your eyes back open, coming back into your space. You showed up here today, sweet love, and took care of yourself. I'm so proud of you. May you feel relieved and relaxed throughout the rest of your day. And if it feels right for you, it would mean the absolute world to us if you would take just a second to like and subscribe. Comment which color you saw, or perhaps sharing it with a loved one. You make such a big difference by doing that. May every day become a chance to ritualize your life. And I'll tap with you soon.